Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Mailchimp to send newsletters. First, you'll need to create a free Mailchimp account using your email address. After verifying your email, set up your organization's details, including your physical address, which is a legal requirement. Take a moment to explore the dashboard. It's your central hub for managing campaigns and audiences. This initial setup takes just a few minutes. Next, let's build your audience. You can easily import existing contacts from a spreadsheet or manually add new subscribers one by one. Mailchimp allows you to segment your audience into groups, enabling highly targeted messaging for better engagement. Don't forget to design a custom sign-up form to embed on your website, making it simple for new subscribers to join your list. Now for the creative part, designing your newsletter. Mailchimp offers hundreds of pre-designed templates, or you can start with a blank canvas. The intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes adding text, images, and buttons incredibly easy. Remember to personalize your emails using merge tags, like a subscriber's first name, which can boost open rates by 20%. A well-designed email captures attention. Finally, it's time to send your campaign and analyze its performance. Schedule your newsletter for an optimal delivery time, perhaps midweek around 10 a.m. for best engagement. Always review your email thoroughly before hitting send to catch any last-minute errors. After sending, dive into the campaign reports to see open rates, click-through rates, and other valuable insights, helping you refine future strategies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.